This is a great pleasure to talk to the teachers of primary level throughout our state. This time, this is a new step, new project from our School Education Department, Government of West Bengal and Samogra Shiksha Mission to hold teachers training program for the primary teachers through online. And for online teachers training program, we are presenting the videos which will contain the guidelines for teachers training and a very brief yet detailed discussion on how to do class orientations with students through our textbooks and curriculum and syllabus. You must be knowing that curriculum, syllabus and the textbooks were developed by this committee, expert committee on school education, Government of West Bengal, and our honorable members. They have talked to you in these videos about different subjects and different levels and different textbooks, how to do the interaction, how to teach for the classes and so on. I hope that this will help you a lot, and this whole video will be reaching you through the Government of West Bengal School Education Department. And you must be knowing that all our members and we are here to help you. Again, if you find any point of difficulty, you may just talk to us, you may just call us or make an appointment with us so that we can clarify if needed. And there will be some experts from district levels also who will be helping you to cognize and to totally be a master of this teachers training program. This teachers training program cannot be done, you must be knowing, by only one committee. We have been continuously helped and supported by our Department of School Education, Samogra Shiksha Mission, the boards, especially primary board, West Bengal Board of Primary Education, and other institutions which are working with us. So it is a joint venture, and this English version is made after a long discussion with everybody, and this will help people who are not that fluent in Bangla and who has some difficulties with Bangla teachers training program. So we have done it for other language people in English. Thank you very much. We hope this program will be a great success, and in future we will be hoping that you will also make us understand how this project has done throughout our state. Thank you very much.